In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code in Wix Studio 2026 guide. Adding a QR code to your site is a simple way to connect printed materials, storefronts, or presentations directly to your online content. By the end, you'll have a clean, scannable code placed exactly where visitors expect it without compromising your design. First, prepare your QR code file. Use a reputable online generator to create a code that points to your desired destination, such as a booking page, contact form, or a special offer. Before you open the editor, download the file to your computer. Choose PNG for everyday use, especially if you'll need a transparent background. And choose SVG if you plan to scale the code larger without losing sharpness. Prioritize clarity and contrast. Avoid blurry exports or low contrast color combinations. A dark code on a light background is the most reliable. Make sure the code includes a clear, empty margin around its edges, often called the quiet zone, so scanners can read it instantly. Save it with a sensible file name so you can locate it quickly. Next, upload it to Wix Studio. Open Wix Studio and go to the page where you want the code to appear. With the page open, simply drag the QR image from your computer onto the canvas. Wix Studio will automatically upload it to your site's media and place it on the page so you can start positioning right away. If you have multiple versions, keep track of which one you selected to avoid duplicates and maintain consistency across your site. Now position and style it for best results. Place the QR code near a clear call to action or in the footer where visitors expect helpful links. When resizing, drag from a corner handle to keep the proportions intact. Stretching or skewing can break the pattern and lead to scan failures. Ensure strong contrast between the code and the background. If your section uses photos or patterns, set the code on top of a simple solid shape to isolate it visually. Keep enough breathing room around it and align it with your layout grid so it looks intentional and professional. Avoid heavy shadows or filters that soften the edges. Finally, test it. Use your smartphone to scan the code directly from your screen and confirm it opens the correct destination. If scanning takes more than a moment, increase the size slightly or improve the contrast. Step back and check the overall balance on the page, adjusting size and alignment until it looks integrated and easy to spot. And that's it. With a quick drag and drop, you've added a functional, polished QR code to your Wix Studio site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.